Okay, I'm here with Matt Savage of Dustless Technologies, right?
That's correct.
Okay, and he's going to show off their new dust bubble.
Okay. This is what we call the dust bubble. Our motto is stick it, drill it, and toss it. You can kind of see the video going on in the background here, but it's pretty basic. Take the adhesive, peel it off, stick it to the surface. The black dot is actually your mark of where you want to drill. Take the tabs, one on top, one on bottom, place it, pull it back, and drill. Contains it in the bottom.
Nice, and then once you're done drilling, how do you take it off without making a mess?
You want to pinch it, pull it off.
And that's it. No need for a shop vac.
That's right.
Cool. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate your time.